Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel B.L.DASH short and sweet in chemistry. Now I am going to focus on the topic short revision of reaction in organic chemistry of class 11. And the chapter is alkene and the part is 10. In part 10 I am going to explain addition reactions. Addition reaction water, sulfuric acid and hypohalous acid. In my previous videos, I have already explained different type of addition reaction just like hydrogen, halogen, etc. Now here I am going to explain first addition of water. You know what is the formula of water? H2O. It is a combination of H plus OH minus. Here addition of water means here it should be H plus OH minus. That means here there are two parts. One is plus, other is minus. So you know in addition reaction there are two types of alkane. One is symmetrical alkene, other one is unsymmetrical alkene. Now you can observe here symmetrical alkene, that means here between the double bond, two sides the double bond, both sides contain same number of carbon and hydrogen. So you can observe here this is ethene. In ethene you can see this is one carbon, two hydrogen on the left side and two hydrogen, one carbon on the right side. So it is symmetrical. The simple example that is ethene. Now in ethene if you add water then what happens? You know water means it is containing H plus ion and OH minus ion. So in presence of mineral acid, H plus means here mineral acid, that means hydrochloric acid like this, you treat that one, then what happen? H plus goes to here and OH minus goes to here and there is no problem because it is a symmetrical alkene. If H plus goes to here and OH minus goes to here, the product is same, that is ethyl alcohol. If OH minus here and H plus here, the same product, you will get ethyl alcohol. What is the IPS name? Ethanol. CH3, CH2, OH, that is called ethanol. So this is symmetrical, there is no problem. And when you come to unsymmetrical, before that one other symmetrical alkane, but2ene. See here? 1, 2. After 2 there is a double bond. So it is but2ene. That means here this right side 2 carbon 4 hydrogen, left side 2 carbon 4 hydrogen. So it is an unsymmetric. It is an unsymmetrical. It is symmetrical alkene. Now in symmetrical alkene, if you add water, then what happens? H plus. If you come to here, OH minus here, the product you will get like this, butane 2-ol. If OH minus here and H plus here, there is no problem. Here the product remains same because this is symmetrical alkene. So there is no problem at all. If you add H this side or OH minus that side, or reverse you reverse the atoms, the group, there is no problem. The product remains same. But when you come to unsymmetrical alkene, what is meant by unsymmetrical alkene? Unsymmetrical alkene means between the double bond, left side, right side, the atoms, number of atoms are not equal either in carbon or in hydrogen. Let us see example propene. CH3CH double bond. You can observe right side 1 carbon 2 hydrogen and left side 4 hydrogen 2 carbon, that is propene. That means it is unsymmetrical alkene. It is an unsymmetrical alkene because the carbon hydrogen atoms are not same on both sides of the double bond. When you add water, you can observe if you H plus is added this side and OH minus this side. That means if you write here OH minus this side and H plus this side, the product is different. If you write OH minus here and H plus here, the product is different here. Then what to do? You will follow Markovnikov's rule. I have explained in part 9 what is Markovnikov's rule and what is anti-Markovnikov's rule. I have explained, and here only it follows the Markovnikov's rule. What is Markovnikov's rule? The addendum, that means which is added, and the negative part comes to carbon which contain least number of hydrogen atom. That means here you can observe the OH minus, that is negative part, H plus, that is positive part. So OH minus comes to here, the OH comes to here, and H comes to here. That means you can observe here CH3, CHOH and CH3. Because CH2 is there, H comes, that means CH3. What is the name? Propan 2-ol. What is the name? Propan 2-ol. Again you see this is OH minus comes to the carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. This is the Markovnikov's rule. I hope you will. I will go to. I am going to explain addition of sulfuric acid. I hope it is clear. Addition of water. Again see, water consists of positive negative part, that is H plus ion, H plus and OH minus. So according to Markovnikov's rule, the negative OH minus comes to carbon which contain least number of hydrogen. Now we will proceed to addition of sulfuric acid. After addition of water, you will see addition of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. That means here H plus is the positive charge and SO4 HSO4 minus 1, that is negative charge. If you break HSO4 minus, then like this, O minus SO2OOH, that is HSO4. Now you add sulfuric acid to ethene. Ethene is symmetrical alkene because carbon is attached to hydrogen, that is 2 hydrogen. Here carbon is attached to 2 hydrogen, so symmetrical. And now when you add sulfuric acid, and H will come to here. See, H will come to here, and HSO4, that is OSO2OH, that instead of that you can write HSO4. Then what is that? Ethyl hydrogen sulfate. You see, this is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. If you treat unsymmetrical alkene, that is propene, because before double bond 2 carbon 4 hydrogen, after double bond 1 carbon 2 hydrogen, that is why it is unsymmetrical, that is propene. If you add this sulfuric acid, which will break like this, H plus and OSO2H minus, or you can write HSO4 minus. So here you write here CH3, CH, and the negative part comes to here, and that here hydrogen. Now comes to question. Here instead of this, instead of OSO2OH, you can write HSO4. What is the name? Isopropyl hydrogen sulfate, because the structure itself is propyl group, and in isopropyl group, in isopropyl group hydrogen sulfate is added, hydrogen sulfate is attached, that is why isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. Then come to addition of hypohalous acid. What is the formula of hypohalous acid? That is HOX. X means chlorine, bromine, iodine, like this, but here only that reacting chlorine and bromine. That means HOCl hypohalous acid, HOBr hypobromous acid. Now addition of HOCl to ethene, it gives, that is you will take Cl2 chlorine and plus water, it gives CH2OH and CH2Cl. Now here say it is symmetrical, there is no problem, and here OH group attach here, Cl group attach here. And now similarly HOBr, one side OH group, one side Br attached. This is for symmetrical, that is sufficient. And now here 2, 1, 2, this is ethanol. In ethanol 2 position there is chlorine, 2 chloroethanol. in ethanol 2 position bromine, that is why 2 bromoethanol. And if you go to unsymmetrical like this, you will add here which is positive negative, you will see, and Cl is positive, OH is minus here, and similarly you will see the reactions how in unsymmetrical alkane the hypohalose reactor, it will follow Marconi-Krebs rule. And generally these are very important reaction: addition of sulfuric acid, addition of hypohalose acid. And I hope it is easy to you now. You clear this all these addition reactions, and hope you will subscribe my channel B.L.DASH Short and Sweet in Chemistry. And thanks for watching my video. Thanks again to all.